Hey guys, just picked up this Honda ADV 150. There's not really too much information about them, not too many videos on them for the US anyway, so I figured I'd do a little top speed run for you guys. I'm sure that's what everyone wants to see anyway, so. This is weird. My first time really ever riding a scooter, and I gotta keep saying to myself not to grab for the clutch, and I kind of keep reaching for the foot brake, but ain't no foot brake. This is definitely a new experience. Full throttle. Oh. GPS says 51.1, 52. It looks like the speedometer is not really that far off. I don't know if you'll be able to see what my GPS says, but I think it's going to start raining soon. Actually, I think I see some drops. We're gonna make this quick though. Of course this guy is going like 5 miles an hour. It's a 55 mile an hour road. We're doing 38 miles an hour right now. Like, what the fuck? Oh, I don't have flashers? Oh, that sucks. This is ridiculous, man. I can't do a top speed run. We're not even doing fucking the speed limit, bro! What the fuck? Man, if I was on my R6, I would have passed these fools a long time ago. Dude, what the hell is going on up here? Oh, my bars seem a little crooked. Yeah, get the fuck out of the way, bro. Stupid fuck. Alright, so this thing doesn't really... I don't know, I saw a review that said it would probably beat a Grom. I agree with that up top, but it doesn't have the punch low end like my Grom does. I think that's actually how they described it too. It doesn't have the low end as like a Grom. It's very smooth, but up top, I'm flooring it now. Let's see. Oh, it's windy as hell today. 60. It's definitely faster up top than my Grom. Woo! I'm getting blown around. Alright, full throttle. Nope. I'm not full throttle right now. So it's definitely holding 59, which on my GPS is showing just like a half a mile an hour slower. Oh my god, is it windy? You can see the treetops, man. That's my rule of thumb. When you see the trees on the side of the road waving like that, that's when you know it's fucking... It's windy as hell. Oh my god. I'm full throttle now, and the wind is literally kicking my ass. Holy shit. Full throttle. The fuel mileage says just at 50 miles per gallon at full throttle. So you could probably get about 100 miles out of a tank full throttle. Full throttle. I should just tuck. What do you think? There we go. 65. 56. 57. It is windy as shit though. 55. Oh my god, maybe the wind isn't bad going the other way. We'll see. Let's do another speed run. Full throttle. This 50. It's almost 60. Yeah, it is windy. Full throttle. And it's pegged at 60. And my GPS says 59.8.
So I'm definitely gonna need to do an exhaust on this thing. Exhaust, and I don't want to do a filter. Maybe just a drop-in filter, but I don't want to open that housing up, because I'll be taking this off-road, so I don't really want a lot of dirt getting in there. So basically, I just want to do an exhaust, definitely, for sure. And probably, I don't know if Power Commander's going to come out with something, or if anybody will even come out with like an ECU. But I definitely need to do some power mods. Right now I'm full throttle, going uphill, slight incline, and yeah, it definitely needs some power. Granted, it's still 15 miles on it. It's not broken in. I'm sure it'll pick up at least a mile or two when it breaks in, but this is not enough for me. Full throttle. And before you guys yell at me for the braking procedure, I don't care. I used to be one of those that followed the braking procedure to the T. First 600 miles, you know, modulate your throttle. Don't set at a steady RPM. You know what? Fuck that. Pin it to win it. That's how I live. Pin it to win it.